Right, we're going to move to the next, session of the questions that you all had asked. One of the common questions that a few of you all, or most of you all had asked is actually it's happy to see your friendship. It's nice to see the three of you all laughing. It's nice to see the three of you all roast each other during classes. One of you all had even asked, you all roast each other during classes. Don't you all get angry at each other for roasting yourselves like that, like in giving seminars and things like that? And then some of the others had said, it's a good friendship. It's good. It's a good goals to have here, right? But and you all had asked us to comment on it. How do you maintain that friendship? Don't you all ever fight? What happens when someone fights? What happens when someone walks away? Do you all stay angry at each other, or do you all speak and all of that, right? So, before I hand over to these two guys, all I can say is every relationship has its ups and downs, whether it's family or friends or whatever it is. It has its ups and downs. Life itself is a roller coaster. So not every day is going to be like, the bed of roses. There's going to be a lot of thorns. I'll hand over the rest of that to Rizlan, so actually.
So,
and then Chandran.
I really wanted to answer this. I was not going to answer this question, but when at the moment I really wanted to answer it. Because you all have asked about how come we are so together, united, and we don't fight, and how do we have this agreement? The reason I want to ask is, this is the second take, okay? So just a little while ago, we had a small argument, Okay, so it's like this, we fight quite a lot, okay? We fight
every day.
Every day, almost every day, okay? It's like there is not a day where we have not fought, okay? It's like this, if you put it in this way, Shasvan is the emotional person. He will get emotional very quickly, so you have to handle him very softly. I am a bit aggressive. Okay, but aggressive in the sense I'm not like
very stubborn and very difficult.
Stubborn and
very difficult.
It's very difficult to convince me if I think okay, this is because if you logically argue, I would agree. That one. But both of us has a common ground. If someone makes us understand our mistake, we will accept, we will apologize, and we will move on. Our friend over here is the mediator. Okay, good thing about him is he has both of us has fought a lot, even with him sometimes. But sometimes if we take a break, it's us. Sometimes I will not talk for a day, he will not talk for a day. Likewise, but he has not done that so far. He has not done that. That is the problem. If we get angry, at least one day we can say without listening to each other's voices. But this guy's Takaram voice we have to always hear. Because there is no break. So he is usually the mediator. But the thing about this couple, three people is, if there are two people fighting, that's a problem. Okay? But when there are three, fights happen in different ways. Sometimes me and Riyad sir fights, Shazran sir will, mediate.
That's right.
Sometimes Shazran sir and he will fight. That has happened once or twice. Me and Shazran sir, we are always that's our friendship is based on fights completely. Fights
all the bloody time.
But at the end of the day, one of us improves. That happens. Either he learns something or I learn something, one of us can disagree. But don't think of this guy as an angel. The problem is I told you, both of us will agree and apologize and move on. This guy will never agree on something he did wrong. Okay? And as I'm a stubborn person, I will not, tolerate it. I will make him one day. Meeting finished at 1 a.m. I think.
Over a clock.
Till 4 a.m.
Over a clock.
3 hours. I was
keeping on listening. That's it.
He was. I only asked him one request. Say, I'm sorry. He did a mistake. He agreed.
Not a mistake.
It was a mistake. See. And he was not ready to say sorry. That word was not coming out of him. He was finding. What do you say?
Funny now. What he says is, it wasn't a mistake.
But
I can't remember.
I can't remember, but it wasn't a mistake.
Yeah, see, he can't remember, but
he can't remember.
But that is his attitude. He thinks he is he's not ready to accept his faults.
Not like that.
The good thing is he is I think possibly because of his occupation as a manager, he knows how to manage things. He knows how to manage things. He speaks when needed and everything. In my way, I'm a little bit vocal about my opinions, and his way, he wants his emotional bubble is there, so that we can't break. We have to give him that space, and that emotional part is what makes him a little bit more human than me, actually. And also because he has that Sometimes, you know, if there are certain things we are thinking in a little bit of a more human way, sometimes we all need to do.
Talking about Shazam.
And Shazdan's an artist.
He has a human side.
We have these flavors which we add. If there is the logical or the strategical part, or if there is anything we are doing which is, what do you say, bit, you know, dark.
A bit, yeah. Out of this thing, he will give some light.
that is probably my side. Like, so I'm like black. He's like white.
Grey.
This guy is rainbow.
Grey.
Not grey. He's like rainbow.
Grey.
If you know what I mean.
No, he's grey. He's between the black and the white. You want to talk? You want to tell them about those events
Yeah.
that we planned?
Yes. Okay. You will have asked about some of the funniest incidents.
Yes, this.
Almost all the incidents we have had are funny. Just imagine, 3 o'clock now. Tomorrow we have
4 hours.
We have
Completely at work.
Just look at
Organizing
us.
medals.
Just look at us like working 24 hours. Why? Because we really love this.
Yeah,
It's
that's
hard.
the
It's
thing.
very hard work, but we love we have this favorite word, one of the favorite words, synergy. We love that synergy. We have
Synergy
between
and what
us.
is the other word?
Synergy, basically pullars and
Pullars.
Yeah, tell that.
And,
Let's stay over.
let's say
Pullal, basically.
Very recently he was
Anyway,
using another word. He finds like word for a month and he sticks
That's
with that
good
particular
vocabulary.
word.
You have to use
Vocabulary.
vocabulary.
Like what we did in grade 5 English repetition or in grade review. We can't show the age. So
Tell the story.
Yeah, the story is almost everything is funny. This one is like the most decent thing we can
This
tell,
is- yeah,
and
most
and also it will something you will really understand. Okay, it's like this. We had a meeting.
And that was in the middle of the night.
Yes. No. It
No,
was
it
started
was
in the
early, no?
evening.
Yeah.
It started in the evening. About now when this was when Trifecta started.
Before Trifecta also. We were planning the events.
That's it. That is when we started Trifecta.
When we want to start, yeah.
And we wanted to figure out the events.
Exactly.
So we started the meeting. Usually this guy, he tries to bunk the meetings. Okay? For some reason, he will try to bunk the meeting. So that day also when we were planning the events, so we had scheduled 2 of them, debate and speech was on the table already.
Yeah.
And we
were
wanted 3
considering-
more events
Yeah.
and 3 or 2 more events. Yeah, that's good. And so what happened is about 2 hours of meeting, and then he said he has a class.
Yeah.
And he wanted to leave. We
Yeah.
were convincing him to postpone a class because it was a personal class and individual. So we told him he didn't. So he actually left abruptly and
We
then we continued the meeting.
And we finished the planning
Within
also.
1.5 hours, we have planned the rest of the events. The Quizit, YouTuber,
Yeah.
and entrepreneur.
Yeah,
We have finalized them.
And then he came back.
When he came back, when he came back, and what we did is like I started to tell something, and Rihab understood it, and he went on that role. Okay? So what
we
happened
were-
is,
yeah.
he asked, I said, Mashan, we have planned everything. We have followed some awesome events. This is going to be mind blowing. We are going to like this is going to be next level. And he asked, what is it? Now he was very upset that
He
upset
had-
in the sense
yeah,
that
gone ahead and
he
planned.
left the meeting and we continued.
Yeah.
We planned everything. He was upset that he felt guilty. He did not contribute. So he was.
So he was
like,
attentive, he was very
because
attentively listening.
before he went, you know about me, I just put something like this. I said, okay, then whatever we finalize, you can't tell anything, huh? And he
So
said,
you
"Ah,
did
okay,
say
okay."
that actually at the beginning you did tell that.
Yeah.
Those are things we finalized.
Yeah.
So then I was feeling guilty to, you know. that happened. Because
He was feeling
mistake
guilty
is in my
because we
hand.
have worked hard.
Yeah. He didn't want to
And
say no.
Then I used the opportunity, okay, and what happened was I told these are the 2 events. The first
He
event was,
started spinning.
what do you say?
Fashion show.
No, it was the cookery show. Online cookery this competition actually.
At virtual.
Not virtual, it was online actually. So he was asking,
Yeah.
he was like, whatever, like, nice idea, Machan, but how are we going to do that? I said, online. How online? We are going to ask them to cook some meal and take us photos and send. Based on the photos, we select the winner. He was like, no, he can't. He was like, good idea. But isn't it unfair? I was like, I'm just spinning the story. These are not, 2 things we planned. So then I was like, okay, then we will tell them to send that to our houses. We will taste one by one.
Excellent,
In
yes.
that way, our food cost is also covered. That would be nice thing. He is completely, he's
He doesn't like the idea,
Like
but
the
he's
idea.
guilty that he can't say no. So he's
yes,
like,
it's yes, good.
And
But
he's trying to bring
trying
every
to
time he
somehow-
brings a problem. He's like, "It's about a and then he was like gas cost or something, and then we were like, no, he was like virtual
virtual.
and you supply the gas. He was
Should I
like,
use up? It's my virtual will sponsor the gas and utensils.
And
I was
bring
like,
the- bring
but
the
the
burner.
gas cooker, wait, I'll bring one gas cooker. You bring one from your house, you have one. You bring one.
no, he can't say no. He was like, Hari.
Oh, yeah, okay, somehow then finally he thought like, right, okay, finally
agreed to that.
agreed to that. For our shock. Okay, now he's feeling guilty, no, he's feeling very bad that
He
we have
left.
planned all this, he could not say anything. Then he asked,
He
what is the
took it
next
one
level?
level
And
above
that is
that.
yeah, okay, now that level he passed, so we went to the next level. We said, let's do a fashion show. All level plus fashion show.
Like put a ramp for a
Ramp.
catwalk,
And
and
you
like
know-
how the students come and go.
And
like how
he
the
was
fashion
taking,
show.
now he's completely, we can see him struggling. This guy switched off the camera.
I
He's
could-
like,
I
he
could-
can't
I
control.
was like, you know,
He was like-
no. I was thinking, have they gone mad? Like, because to be honest, I'm really, concerned on this one, mostly these girls, matters and all. I know that I used to work with them because they both also the same. But I'm actually having that trust and I work with them. That's one of the reasons that I'm with them. Because when you come to tuition, the main thing how we handle with our students. So I was thinking these girls, have they gone mad? Why are they thinking in this way? No, I can't ignore also.
That's when I spiced up the things. I have a good poker face now. I can tell
Yeah,
something
yeah.
without lying. Okay, so I spiced up the things. Like when he was trying to deviate us from that, he was trying to fashion. It's
He
not
brought a lot of
that.
problems.
And he tried. I felt so bad for him because he was trying to so politely without
Yeah.
hurting our feelings. That's why I said he's emotional guy.
Yes, the
He has
human
that
side.
thing.
Yeah.
So. Then I spiced up things. What I did is I started to show like I'm getting upset and I'm like I was
He
like,
showed a couple of tears also. I couldn't. I just picked up the camera. I was laughing so much.
and he got upset.
That's
so
what I told them. Now, is it alright if we go for a fashion show?
Then once I convinced that we will do it with the students somehow, then I brought up another thing. I told him now as we are planning to go for this, we are going to be the judges. We have to come in like in that Met Gala. We also have to come in fancy clothes. I asked, will you go for batik surrounding shirt?
He agreed to that.
Yeah, and then he was like, in the back, he's concerned. So
And
then
then
once
he
I
was like,
started
yeah.
getting upset,
Yeah,
I was
okay.
like asking, are you sure you want to go with this? Yes, we'll go. Don't get upset. I was like, will you wear the batik sarong? Yes, macam. Well, that is the point. I couldn't like, when he agreed to that seriously, I
And I
felt
was asking
bad.
from them, no, is it alright, like, fashion show you're talking about? There are girls, no, they won't like it, no. Well, no. Who don't talk in that payment, we know what to do. Like, isn't it? They were like keeping on.
He agreed.
I said, finally,
Yeah,
that's
agreed.
fine, okay, like, you won't do anything
Yeah,
bad.
you want to say-
For students, I have that trust.
We had that trust.
Actually,
we were like,
he
even
said
though it
that-
was a prank, that was
he
one
said
of
that.
the, very moment where we
It's
bonded.
nice.
Like there are moments which happens where things bond in any relationship, So that was a very special
That was
moment.
a
It was
good
one
moment.
of the special moments because how blindly he trusted. Because if
He
he do
was like,
something
if
like
you all
that,
do it, you all will do
especially
it
the fashion
properly,
show, I think
Yeah.
our entire career is on stage. I think we will have to sell batik sarong only after that. But I have I'm a little bit afraid of this also. Someone looking at this if they will be, these two dropped the idea sound nice. Shall we start?
Yeah, please
dear
don't.
colleagues,
That was
telling
just
you,
a
it
prank.
was a joke, it was a prank.
It
So
was
it's
100%
not,
prank.
definitely
Don't
not.
go down that road.
Don't go down that road. So, but that was a very
It was a good
bonding
friendship
moment because we actually understood the amount of blind trust he has on us.
He has, yeah.
So
That was nice.
that was
He was
very-
like, whatever you all do, I know you all will do it well. So
That was
I'm
his
not
final
100% into it. But
I think if you are one of my students, you know how well I can convincingly, portray some situations. So, I was doing that and he did not know that I'm pulling up a prank and he was like, okay, I trust you, Madan, you will go. That trust was one of the, you have asked about very important ones. That answers your questions as well.
Yeah. Yeah, every relationship has its like that. Every relationship has its ups and downs. People fight. We fight every day, to be honest. Right? So even last, I think, a few days ago, these two were at war. Even this week, and then I think the previous week, we both, I don't know. There are ups and downs. That it is what it is. It is what it is. You just need to find that. You need to figure out whether it's worth it. That's the most important. Is it worth being in that relationship? Then that's not toxic for you. If it is not worth it, then that's toxic, and you have to make a move. So that's what it is. End of the day, right?
Three of us being three is also kind of good. Because
It's
it's two, you would have four. Don't take that into all the relationship, but basically having a third wheel actually helps.
Yeah, true.
He's the third wheel.
That means they are a couple. That's what it means.
Couple goals.
Okay.
Couple goals.
Moving on to the next segment. So I think like some of the questions that had come in terms of like who is the CEO of O Level Plus, who runs it, of the three of you all, what's the structure like? I think that's something that I think a lot of students had asked us during the seminars also, and I know we play the fool around with answering that, but I think the truth is I'll give the perspective, and then these guys can add in, right? So it's not about who is the leader. This O Level Plus trio, the good thing about that, the best thing about that is that it doesn't really have a leader, right? I mean, like now for an example, what we do, if you take a look at our posters, right? Now every month we have some event happening. If you take the trifecta, it will be the speech, the debate. If you take the seminars, it will be one after the other. Each poster from day one, from 2020, if you look back until to date, that mid person in the poster has always been going on a roster basis, as on a rotation. It'll be Shazran sir, and then Rizlan sir, and me, like that. We will always take turns in even designing that poster. Like different events will have different, either me on the right, Rizlan sir on the left, and then Shazran sir in the middle, or Rizlan sir in the middle, like that. There'll always be a rotation, right? So I think even to that level only we actually plan even the poster. So to be honest, there is no leader, there is no one founder, there is no CEO, chairman, nothing like that. All of us have an equal, effort amount, like hard work that we have put into it, effort that we have put into it, blood, sweat, all of it, right? I mean, it's a lot of hard work. So obviously it belongs to all three of us, right? And the work, if you take, right? So we usually split the work. Now, for an example, if you take any event that's coming up, usually it goes as, okay, you do this, you do that. I mean, if it's tech stuff, or I mean, you all don't know the setting behind that's going on here, right? There are like, there's like lights, there's like cameras all across, there's fans to keep it so hot, to be very honest. But there's fans also. So all this like tech stuff, that's Rizlan sir's forte. I mean, he knows. I mean, we even have a green screen behind this to be used. We bought that, but
unfortunately, due to some technical errors,
we had to change the backdrop. But yeah, and then we'll be using that for the awards tomorrow. But that's
many people question me why I have such a big door in my house. So they didn't know my friends very well. So
the technical stuff is handled by him. He knows these things inside out, and Rizlan sir, a perfectionist. He wants even a video to come like that. I mean, Shazran sir handles a lot of like the physical related work also. I mean, he has a lot of contacts in like PETA. One call does it all, right? He knows where to go, what to get, and all of that stuff. And
he's the only one who knows where the PETA Odell branch is. So
actually, you can ask him.
It's like Narnia, only certain people can enter there.
And he has an army of assistants, like sometimes, to be honest, it's like
I used to say Mahadanamuttai go there of Thai. Whereas, sometimes he has to do all the work by himself to get it done perfectly. But yeah, credits were due, some of them they do.
They do. And sometimes we also use them as
Basically they are like common assistants.
Common to all of us. So yeah, we have our strengths, we have our weaknesses. I mean, obviously now, like,
tell the part where you help also.
I am the guy who what? So what do I do? You're the one who must say that.
He doesn't know.
You're the one who has to say
usually, he does a lot of.
The organization.
Organizers.
Managing
Yeah,
stuff.
managers. Exactly. Managers. Okay.
Thanks.
And manages stuff. That was just he manages stuff. Okay. And he basically, what do you say, does a lot of this behind this Excel sheets related things. You know, the databases related things, the statistical things. He goes with that. And on top of that, he is good with both of our sides. Like he's half of us as well. He's a bit good in the tech side as well. He has some connections with his friends as well. So he's
it works.
kind of a mix.
It clicks.
Kind of a mix.
It clicks. So whenever some new idea is coming, we always have
But we switch roles sometimes. This has been a learning curve for us.
That is
You know, like usually the designing stuff, Chazranza doesn't handle. But very recent some of the events, you know, you might not have noticed that was that good. He did it. Okay?
That's true.
And sometimes the human resource part for this, the awards thing, I had to handle. Okay? And he of course switches roles. Sometimes he takes the designing part, sometimes he will tell arrange these things. So it has been
we
a
have
nice
learned a
learning
lot.
curve. We
We
have
have
learned a lot.
learned a lot
Thank you.
from
And
each
you-
other. Actually.
Even this setup, we don't know whether this will actually work.
I think the editor is going to have a hell of a time.
Time because
But-
you know we improvise. Don't think we have high technical gadgets or anything. It's basically few smartphones and some equipment which we bought with with time, and we keep improving. We keep learning a lot. What is it? I have learned a lot from these fellows, especially when it comes to how to handle Excel sheets. This guy tells certain things, and you know, even when it comes to the wordings and everything, he takes care. And Charles Ganser has learned a lot. Now he started to become very good with tech.
Yeah.
Okay, like he learns
We
a
are
lot
very
of stuff.
conscious of it.
Okay, so only thing whenever he does something good, we have to appreciate. Like it's always like appreciate. That is like our catchphrase now. Appreciate.
That is good. Yeah.
Whenever we do something, appreciate. Okay, so like it has
Yeah.
been, we have learned a lot as well. So
It has been a very good journey. Like like a lot of technical stuff. I mean, I deal with these things. We learned a lot from him, right? On that, and the designing part. Now, I think in terms of designing, I think even Abdurrahman, we have to mention that dude here. Sometimes we give him like 2 hours, 40 minutes to do a work, and he does it, and then sometimes he doesn't. So sometimes if he wakes up late, we can't get him, right? And then this fellow just does the design. Even sometimes it'll come out really well. So we've learned a lot from each other. I mean, it has been a very good journey. Very honest, right? And
That's what's
hopefully-
unique about our group. We don't have a leader. I have not seen that in a group. Every group has a leader. When we started it, I realized this. Honestly, I was thinking whether this will work because I have never seen a group without a leader. We didn't, and so far we don't have that problem. There is no actually ego clash, nothing, and
We are very egotistical people,
yeah, of course. But it's like this.
but
I think
you need to
I
know
think the
where to-
secret formula is there is no credit stealers among us. Like we give the credits where it's due, and we are very real with each other. Okay, so we give the credits with each other, and we push each other as well. So so far we have never needed a leader. We step up to the task. Whoever can do that particular task takes up, and in case if something happens to us, we can't do that. The rest
Someone
of the
else,
group
yeah,
will
steps
of
up.
course get into that.
Like even sometimes when there's like a slowdown, let's say I'm slowing down in my tasks, this fellow burns the midnight oil and pushes it through, and I'm like, what, this fellow is dying. We have to go.
Well, they do that.
It has to be, right? So
They see one of us is working hard. Definitely, if they
Goes
feel like
around.
I'm overworking, even now today, these last few days I was working too much. This fellow was always asking, and Chazranza today, from morning he was
Cancels all his
working,
classes.
he was cancelling classes one by one, and that's how we work. That's how we operate.
it's good. Hopefully it will continue.
So I think we have shown that you don't have to have a leader
You
always,
don't.
as long as you understand each other. I think that is something which separates us from the others a lot.
Exactly. True. Synergy.
He uses
1 year ago,
word
that's
out
the
of
one.
the blue.
That's the one.
Yeah,
That's the one. That's
synergy,
right.
synergy.
Using it often in his classes.
Oh,
also.
yes,
Classes, no, I know it doesn't come, but it's
I was
it comes in
asking
our-
why did you come late or something like that using synergy. What
No, I
he was telling that word out of the blue for some reason.
Wherever I hear the word, basically this place comes
No.
from. Always like in the TV programs and all. when I hear the basically,
Basically.
and especially that Pulal.
Ulal, you don't hear in TV programs now.
We have not heard it from anywhere.
Yeah, it's a unique word. You need to have unique words for
Word is
yourself.
not unique. The way you say
The
it.
way you say it.
Word is also unique.
Word is how
So the word the all tell is also not correct.
everyone they say, right?
Ulel is also wrong.
It's wrong, but
It's
everybody does that
illegal.
mistake. That's okay. That's a slang.
Huh?
It's illegal.
So why do you call it?
What do you call it? Why
So
do
you
you call
start
it
calling
illegal?
illegal.
Why do you all call it
We
Ulel?
used to say illegal.
No. Ulel.
We used to call it
Ulel. Ulel and Pulal is the
Illegal.
same thing.
No, no.
Same thing, slang, different slangs, right? Right, we have pretty much arrived at the last segment of this anniversary session. So today we have spoken about the origins of O-Level Plus, you know, how we launched, why we launched, what have we done so far, future projects. There were a couple of questions on future projects. We don't want to reveal those. It's all, I mean, to be very honest, it's a work in progress. On a daily basis, whatever we feel like we think we can put our efforts and work, we actually bring it to light. That's how it does. So obviously there are future good projects down the line too. We are not going to talk about that right now, you all will see. So we've talked about the history, we've talked about the present, we've given a glimpse of the future as well, right? And we talked about the motives, you all saw a glimpse into, you know, how our trio works, friendship and how we, you know, our bonding and how all of that happens. So I think the last segment what we are going to talk about right now is some of you all had asked to say one good thing and one bad thing about each other, right? So like basically one of us will tell about the other person one good thing and one bad thing. Bad thing as in, I mean, everybody, you know, it's like not like there is no evil person, you know, it's like there are things that you might, yeah, there are things that you might like about a person and dislike. But obviously, we're going to address that. So we'll start off with Shadran sir. He'll give us one each for me.
We are going in alphabetical order.
No, I'm the host. I will finish it.
There is no such rule. We are going in alphabetical order.
No. You
Alphabetical order.
Right. Yeah.
S. Yes.
So alphabetical means
reverse alphabetical. So we'll start with him.
Why? Did you learn from Z
Yeah,
to A?
Z, Y, X.
That is why he's like this. He has started learning from Z to there. This is the problem. Everything is alphabetical.
right. Okay. We have in a sense the good thing actually. It's really happy to see that both of them actually, hard working. Even we have actually in this case I have seen working hard. This is not only his career. When it comes to tuition, he's doing his maximum in that end. And sometimes even I feel it's not an easy task in this way to go in with this, but as he said, there are plus and minus everything, but he's doing his best. If not, he would have come up to this standard. In another way, when he does a mistake, as this one told, normally he never he tries to he tries to say no, it's not a mistake, man. That's fine.
I don't do mistakes.
Exactly my point.
Okay, so you keep on arguing in that way, maybe because you can understand what is the situation, and it's not easy to handle this much of classes, and loads of subjects in a setting, right? Okay. Right? So in that case, it's a big task. I'm happy in that way actually. So Rizlan, okay. In Rizlan's end, actually, the best thing what I have heard is he never gives up something. Okay, if he wants to do it, somehow he tries his maximum to complete it and in a proper way. Now, the only thing is that actually has become a plus point for us, and all of us, I know, in one end, show the honesty. We are honest to this O-Level Plus. Honestly work for this. Okay, we do our best, whatever we can. All having problems. Everyone have their own problems. It's not easy. I can remember. I think during this, the kid was in hospital, so he was carrying his laptop, and I was telling can do the classes, not just ignore. Children will understand, but I think he did his maximum. So those are the things actually now. Those days I can remember I used to advise him. I used to scold him, and he knows that. right? Projected half. I used to scold him because I was being to tuition, right? And I was actually even now, you know, people once they get married somewhere, you know, they get occupied more. Children, family life, it's not easy. So when we
I have my career.
now, actually, even he has that issues. Everyone is not easy, right? But anyways, now sometimes in my end, even when we go below or when we are not up to when we are not up to the optimum level, okay. Sometimes he motivates us. Okay, let's not do this. He wants us also to come to that standard. So I'm really happy in that way. So in that point. The worst for me.
That is the part when he is praising me for this long, now I'm scared of the next one.
No, actually to be bad, no. This is actually, you know, you are requesting us to say something, so we have to say. Right? I can't say it doesn't have people have anyway, we are human beings. Because, yeah, because
we won't say we don't have mistakes. Like some people, we are not angels, we have our mistakes. We have our mistakes.
We have.
If you make a mistake, you own up to it. Yeah, of course. I
Then
do.
a little while ago you
No,
said,
if you
I don't
make
do
a
mistakes.
mistake, you
So
own
you
up
don't
to
do
it.
mistakes.
If I don't do it, why should I own up to it?
So you don't do mistakes.
If I make a mistake, I have said sorry to 1,000 people, to be honest. Not that I don't say sorry. But I don't say sorry if I don't have to say sorry.
And he doesn't have to say sorry because he doesn't do mistakes. Go ahead.
Sometimes, yeah.
I don't know, because whatever the bad things actually. The only thing actually, you know, the anger. Okay. Again, sometimes, you know, if he is angry, some certain things, okay, the way, the maximum that he can hurt someone will go up that is, okay, the maximum he will hurt. But not with, you know, any other motives, so that we understand, you know. So what I do is
Punishment.
yeah. What we do is like we pay. I used to be like sometimes I used to call phone Rehab and say, "Hey, help me please." So it's like this. Why me this killer? Like, why me need to me killer? No killer. Then I used to just let it go. And but in one end for me, like we were there for now I think many years, but we met maybe for 4 or 5 years, but the bond actually is massive. And 1 or 2
We have
days
come to a
even.
point, like no matter how hard we fight, we know we are going to be
Going
together.
to be anyway together.
It's-
And you know, in case if there's something even we feel really uncomfortable, even that day I was telling Rizlan, normally when we are upset, when we are not happy, even in our careers, even now we are not, you know, we can't focus well. So that bond has been created. So I'm really happy in that end. So those are the things I have to say.
Just we have go ahead.
Thanks, Shazran. Nice, very nice. So from my perspective, I'll start with Shazran, sir. Good thing and bad thing. I think when it comes to Shazran, I think we already addressed this in this same podcast. We spoke that he is the human of the three of us, right? I think he is the guy who has emotions, to be honest. I'm saying this in a good way because he's the guy who probably will, you know, not just, now if you organize something, he will also take one step and think, you know, he'll think the human side of it. And then he will also, like for an example, if we do so much hard work, he will go one step above and think, you know, this much of effort these guys are putting, or we are putting this much of effort, maybe we should do something about it, or make things easier, or like that human side of it, which I don't, to be honest, it doesn't come to me. Right, this fellow is a stone. No, anyway, it doesn't go to him. But he is that human in us, and the good thing about that is that it brings us back, you know, to like reality. To, now, for an example, even these kind of things, we are killing ourselves. Now, he has obviously, you know, even if he can't sometimes put up with certain health-related things, also he will actually step up and he will come, right? But he will also, while looking after his health, he will also look after our health, think about our health as well. I think that's kind of like the human side to him that I've always liked, you know, the fact that because that's not something that I get naturally, I don't. But he understands that. So like emotions, anything. He doesn't want to hurt, he wouldn't want to hurt a person. Like for an example, even though we roast him so much, he will try and die. And he will also try and give a few back, but he will never like hurt a person. You know, he doesn't do that. So that's very nice of him, right? So on the good side, I've seen a lot of positives in him. I mean, the way he handles his assistants, the way he the way he handles his students. He's very nice, he's very kind, he's very calm, and he's good with emotions. I think that's something that I'm not good at. On the flip side, right? So that's the good thing, right, Shazran? But I think there's nothing bad that I really want to say. I mean, there's nothing really bad about anything, to be honest. I think sometimes he lets that hurt him a lot, though. For an example, I will come to it next. This fellow will say 1,000 things, right? Sometimes, he'll get pissed off. He'll say, and he gets hurt a lot. Right, even sometimes even more than what he should. Like sometimes when we speak, I'm like, give him some time will this thing in. So that's the thing. So it's his strength. Emotions is his strength. But sometimes he gets hurt. And I think one thing about Shazran is that he when he has an issue, he wants to resolve it. He wants to resolve it because he can't not. So not with everyone, obviously not with everyone, Tom, Dick and Harry in the world, but like with his close friends or with his family or whatever, he wants to get it resolved. So that's something that I think I've seen, which probably, time will solve certain things, but that's not a bad thing though. That is also a good thing to
advise me in some way.
But that's also a good thing, to be honest, because that's what makes him human, and I think that kind of like reminds me also that sometimes, we sometimes lose our human side sometimes, right? And then we come, yeah. So that's the good and bad, but there's nothing bad, to be honest. Just to say. Coming to this fellow, right? So good thing. I can start with like the bad thing and then talk for hours. Not really, but let's talk about the good thing. I think with him also, just like what I said, for him, emotions is his strength, and then sometimes he lets that takes a little bit control over him, and that hurts him sometimes. So that just like that on this side, same thing the other way around, right? Like if he wants to do so, the good thing about him is that if he wants to do something, it has to be perfect. And that's something obviously I also admire, because I'm also a perfectionist, right? If we do a poster, even a full stop can't be out of place. Now Abdurrahman, our design, knows that. He knows, he makes sure that's perfect, otherwise it will go back. It will go back either from him or from me, or now Shazran also is sending him back. I think he'll probably leave us and go. But he is a perfectionist, so that's something that I've admired. And look now, even this setup that I'm looking around, the lights, the Patalapan Copa lights, right? The umbrellas, every single thing here is planned to perfection, right? Tomorrow's awards day also. He will set that plan. So all we have to do is add in and coordinate and get it done. So I don't know, even when I get really busy with work, so I obviously I'm working also as a full-time this thing, and I know that even if, now see, the work I take, usually the way we split it, right, sometimes I know when I slack or when I actually delay certain things, usually he takes the flag and goes ahead. And then I know, okay, you know what, we have to meet those deadlines. Yeah, I also keep pushing, right? So that's something that he has been doing for O-Level Plus for a while now, actually, from the beginning. And whatever it is, whether whether I drop the ball or he drops the ball, he will make sure we know about it, but he will definitely pull through. I mean, obviously, I think we have also done that, but I think something he definitely gets done is, if he wants something to get it done, he wants it perfectly, and that's something I've always admired and liked, and that's because that's also something that I've also been, I'm also a fan of. I also, finally, the perfectionism, not you.
Interesting a lot.
Perfectionism, not you.
Okay, we get it,
Right?
We get it, bro, we get it.
I didn't say I'm a fan of you.
Yeah.
I said I'm a fan of the perfectionism, which I also am.
I'll give you my photograph with the autograph.
Yeah, whatever. Autograph with the autograph. Yeah, see, so just as now that's the good thing, right? The good thing is, I know, anything that gets organized, it will be perfect, right? Like usually, I'll tell you this from the bottom of my heart, when we organize certain things, not just here, now when I do things on my own or something else, usually I don't like to let other people handle things, because I don't trust other people to handle things, because it's always half cooked. It never gives that feeling that as if it's perfectly done. This fellow is the only Shazran also, right? So this fellow, I would hands down hand over any project to him because I know it will be perfectly done. I mean, I can.
Yes, for me.
Yeah, I can even like anything in project wise or anything in life also, I can just hand it over to him because I know he will make sure it's perfect. That's a good thing. That's definitely a good thing and something obviously I admire. But on the flip side now, right? Just as much as I told for Shazran, right? Sometimes obviously he lets that human side get him. This fellow sometimes lets his stubborn side get control of him, right? As in he sometimes takes it to a level beyond which it should be taken, right? And that's something that I think most of our friction also sometimes, like the fights I told you, most of those happen because of that. He doesn't have to go there, but he goes there. And like in Tamil we say naan குடிச்ச மசாலுக்கு ரெண்டு கால் கீழ they say
மூணு கால் மசாலுக்கு ரெண்டு கால்.
I don't know.
See, this is exactly what drives me now. Just imagine.
Whatever he say, I don't know Tamil that much.
You don't
Whatever
know Tamil, that's different. So you don't know a rabbit has two legs.
It has to.
The phrase is,
Naan kudicha masaluku moonu kaal. Okay, fine.
Okay,
That stubbornness I think is the flip side because like he won't back down. Sometimes no, fair enough. Sometimes it has two hind. Yeah, I know, but like that proverb is not good.
The legs are counted as the back foot.
The hind part.
The hind part. Yeah.
I like it.
Scientific.
I saw my definition.
Maybe yeah. Based on
When
the
you fall like
language.
this, it's a hand.
True.
So-
So and the hind.
Yeah, so the flip
Science
part.
class.
Yeah, let's forget about the subject.
Yes.
The flip side is
All means
very stubborn. So just as much as he uses that perfectionism to to burn through something, I think that Rizlan also, I mean this is not a bad thing, but like he sometimes expects everybody to get to that level. That's not something that people can do. Like different
Does
people
this sound like excuse?
No, it's not an excuse. Different people have different strengths and weaknesses. So he sometimes lets his perfectionism and stubbornness, get control of it. Just as much as I told you, Shazran, in terms of like this human side, this fellow has that. So I mean, to be very honest, I'm not saying it as bad things. It's just that I think we are used to that lifestyle. Obviously you are used to being you, and you obviously are used to being you. So there is a fine line between controlling our strengths and putting that this thing. So it's not a bad thing, obviously, but it's something that I've noted which I want to share right, from my perspective. Right. So over to you, Rizlan.
So I think you have already said what I wanted to say about Shazran, but I wanted to put it in a more classy way, or as usual, he told it in a very blunt way. Shazran's, so I'll tell it, but I'll go for a different point as well. How I was going to put it is, Shazran's strong point is that he is emotional. So like, because as we already told, that drives us, that he is the heart of what do you say, the O level class. Brain, this guy is like that usual, the useless organ. What is that? The one without any or kidney or liver or something like that.
All organs.
So no, there is
Kidney illama you die.
there is one organ. Yeah, which is not. there are two kidneys.
Yeah, that's the same working.
Yeah. So basically, like that's how it is. He is the heart of O Plus. So that is his. Because of that, he's able to connect with people more. He's gel with people more. That is there. And his weakness is also that he is too emotional. His strength is also he is too emotional. His weakness is also too emotional. Trust people very easily, and and that part is there. Emotionally, you can fool him. That part is there a lot, and people misuse it a lot as well. Okay, so that is something we have to be careful. Why I am harsh on certain points as well is I don't want to do that. I don't want to make him emotional because I know exactly how it works. So as much as possible, I tell him not to do that. Now he has learned a lot because whenever he meets a new guy, his first sentence is, "He's such a good guy." Nalla manusanla. That's his first words.
He never thinks bad about it.
From the day I met, I have shown him examples of all the people. Whenever he gives a golden bet, what happens for that person to 6 months away? Definitely cheats you. So nowadays, whenever he meets someone, still the force of habit is still there. He's another, and he looks at our faces and then he stops. No, I won't say that. I won't say that. Okay, so his being emotional is his strength as well as his weakness. Okay, but since we have already said that, I would like to say Shastran sir has a side, like, he studies very deep. He studies very deep. When he wants to learn something, he studies very deep. For an example, like, when he wanted to he went to Malaysia, I think. Okay. For 3 months, he was researching about Malaysia. What is their points? Where are the bus stops? He made a small booklet. There, all the, every detail was there. Okay, I don't think even Malaysian government has made a booklet like that. They should award him the Citizen of the Year there. He made a booklet and he was showing me. I was like, okay, are you okay? And then once he had a trip for 3 days. What helped is that because of that booklet, he could enjoy the maximum time there. He knew exactly where everything. He was not like lost. So that is there. Likewise, even when he wants to study Excel or anything new, he gets into it, he studies it. That deep learning part is there. So that is one of the good things I admire him in a lot. One of the bad things I say would be he doesn't concern much about his health. Now all three of us don't, but he doesn't. He's not balancing that part. That of course I don't like. Like in him, he has to be a bit more concerned. I think because he's capable. He's a very disciplined person, more than us. He can wake up in the morning if he wishes to. He's a very disciplined person. I have seen that in him. Probably the most disciplined guy out of us. When it comes to that and everything. But so I really believe he can take care of his health well. So I want him to take control of that. That's the good and bad about him. So yeah, good thing. So couple of things come to my mind. One is, I think Shastran also mentioned, he's a multi-talented multitasker. Multi-talented as well as multitasker. He's multi-talented, like as you can see from the slew of subjects he's doing. Okay, and also he's a multitasker. He can, because he is the guy who does, no matter how much we, blame him for certain things, he's actually doing 2 jobs, one full day job and and the tuition, and that also different subjects, A-levels and O-levels both. So that's something I don't think I can pull off. I don't think many people can pull off. There are certain teachers who does multiple subjects, but what happens is they are usually best at only one of them, or sometimes none of them are good. They are just spreading their crowd. That's how most of the, because I have seen those teachers. Vihab is an exception because he has proven himself. You don't have to take my word for it. His growth in tuition industry within this couple of years is very good proof. What do you say, that he is capable of handling this subject? Maybe the only exception. Except him, I won't recommend any other teacher who does multiple subjects. Even I was skeptical, honestly. Okay, I was telling him, no, you stick to one. Okay? But he has given me confidence, me and Shastran also, that sometimes maybe he can also handle multiple subjects. He actually pushes us. Okay, pushes us. So let's not talk too much about it. So that is the good side of it. So he's a very good multi-talented multitasker. About the flip side of the things. So thing is, okay, so
That's an empty page.
that's an it is metaphorical.
He took a 2-minute break to go and make a prop and come because to talk about my lips.
It is metaphorical. Okay, it's metaphorical. Okay, you are teaching literature, right?
Yeah.
But so since we don't have enough time, I'm gonna roll up this full complete list. Okay, of invisible link.
There's nothing in it.
No, it's like this. It's only smart people can see what's written on this. Children, you can see what you can you see? Yeah, can you see the list? Only smart people. You have.
You go ahead.
Can see. See, smart. See, he can't. Okay. Children, you all can do. That's enough. That's much. And I feel sorry for you.
Go ahead.
Okay, so let me pick one out of it. I think this also. There's one more good thing I want to tell about him. He knows when to speak, when not to speak. He's very good. He knows that perfectly. I am trying to learn from him.
We were talking about Inter today.
Yes. He knows when to speak, when not to speak. Like he speaks always like a tangram box. That's not when decision making comes. He knows when to remain silent.
He deviates things, right?
Yeah.
When he tries to come to the point.
And some people are there. They will never, give their opinion. They will not have their opinion at all. Not like that also. When he has a firm opinion, he is ready to put that also on the table. So that's something good I want to tell. Yes, I forgot about it. Flip side, main thing, one already we discussed, that is what you say, not agreeing with his thoughts. But the thing is, the thing is, subconsciously he knows he's wrong. We can feel that. He just doesn't want to agree it on the surface level. Okay, so as long as he feels that is wrong, and as they were saying, I am good with punishment. So that is where my, the harsh part comes in. I punish them in the sense, don't think that I am like harassing these two guys. It's very small punishments. One day I punish them, very small thing, 17,000 rupees bill they have to pay. That's fun stuff.
Bay of Bengal, right?
Not anything harmless. Some things like that. He owes me another 5,000. Whenever I want to test out a fancy restaurant, I just pray that this guy does a mistake. Okay. So that has reduced a lot of things down. Now things again, they never cancel an eating. They don't absolutely do that. So it works. So one thing is that when it comes to some of our work, he's not punctual. He is not like classes. I know he is punctual because I checked with the students and they said classes he comes on time yourself. Lessons he finishes on syllabus very early. He finishes all those things when it comes to the classes. But when it comes to, I think that is a side effect of what he said. He has a trust on us that we will finish the work even if he gets a bit late. Okay, he does it. I agree with that. Okay, on very rare occasions he doesn't, which we discussed with the right? So what do you say? Yeah. Once so far, I will count the rest of the stuff and I will increase that count later. Okay. So, but basically that part is missing. But that's only something related to this. I don't think that it affects him in the other sides. And that's mainly it. Okay. And yeah, that's only the flip side out of this entire list.
He took 2 minutes, I think, to go inside and staple like that.
It was worth it. I always wanted to do it. I have seen it in a lot of cartoons.
Okay. So we are exhausted, as you can see. We are at the edge of our energy levels. To be honest, it's 4:20 a.m. and I think we have to be at virtual at 7:30 to meet our Oliver.
We are in that sweet spot where you have passed the point of sleeping. Now you can't sleep. Now it's better to stay awake and go to the rather than sleeping and getting up in another 2 hours. So,
yeah, we are at that position, but the thing is, if we don't sleep also, that will be an issue.
Exactly.
I don't know. So
you look so tired after all the photos. Yes.
Okay, so it's time to wrap up the session. Okay, so thanks a lot as always, guys. I mean, I think one of the most important things that I have to say is that you have been whom we do all of this for, right? Whether it's our previous batches, whether it's our current batches, whether it's going to be our future batches. All of this effort is because we love doing what we do, so we will definitely continue it. But it's also the fact that you all love us so much, and that y'all are basically our backbone. Y'all are the ones that give us this strength, and the energy to do even more. I think that's
Heart, brain, kidney, backbone.
Yeah, whatever, right?
All the kidney. Yes, that is where all the stones happen and everything.
But without the kidney, you'll die.
Yeah, that's also a problem. We can't live without it, but
it's one of the most important organs, right?
It can be transplanted.
Yeah, but 2 kidneys are very important. It's one of the most important organs in systems in the whole body.
Where is the other kidney? When will you find the other kidney? That's also a question which is serious.
We'll see. It's coming in the making, right? Someday. Yeah. So yeah.
You said in the making, like that means she's not yet born.
We'll
You're going to get that told. Okay.
She'll be there somewhere. We'll leave it to God to show. Right? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up from my end here. Maybe if you want any few last words, you can add in. But that's it. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for all the love. Thanks a lot for all the support. Thanks a lot for being there for us. We will also always be there for you. You always reach out, and then always.
So Oliver Plus has been a 1-year journey. We have done teaching, like Shazwan has done more than 10 years, almost 10 years. I think they are in before.
Beyond 5
Beyond 5 years as well. So he's the senior. But this Oliver Plus journey, we started 1 year back, and it's been 1 year since that. And it's been a very lovely and we can't even believe that it's 1 year we are coming full circle back to the same place where we started. So that has been lovely. So thank you, as he said, and many more years to come. Also, like one final words, 2020 that we have mentioned them. So the award ceremony, I think by the time this is published, the award ceremony, I think we will have a sneak peek of it by then, or probably very soon. So we again congratulate all the people who have done the exams, whatever your results may be. We have already said we are really proud of you because you have passed this obstacle. But anyhow, the people who achieved their best, even in that circumstances, must be appreciated as much as we appreciate everyone who took participation in the exams. So that is why we created that Oral Plus Awards thing. So this is the first time we are doing this, even though this idea has been with us for a while.
Yeah.
Hopefully it will be a continuous thing next year, even more grandly. So we want you all, I think some of you have already started to get ready for that. So we want to see you all. We are ready to spend some more weeks.
Make us work harder.
Yes, make us work harder.
Next year.
Because we love this. We love this.
Yes.
So we want even more better results. Make us proud. I think that will be the common request for our Teachers' Day gift as well.
Yeah. It is. So hopefully we will see you again. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Shazdan says in a point. Everything is okay. Even if I ask Shazdan, can you write your house in my name? You know, he will say yes. Okay. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks a lot, guys. So see you in another podcast.
That's
Bye.
it from our end. Take care.